I know it's October, but hi friends, welcome back. Today we're in the kitchen. I have everything laid out that I've been picking up for Christmas. So yes, it is October, and yes, this is a Christmas decor and crafting haul. So I've been finding some really great things at great prices. I'm gonna try and make a lot of my Christmas decor this year. It's very budget friendly. There's one splurge. I actually have two things that I am over the moon happy about. One was the most expensive, one was the least expensive. So I've got thrift store stuff, other stores and retailers you guys have seen me sharing shop with me at. A lot from Walmart. I'm loving them this year. And I'm gonna show you guys some craft items that you may want to hit up your local Hobby Lobby and see if you can get your hands on. So let's start with the decor and then we'll move on to all the crafting supplies. So I'm hoping the lighting works out. This is everything I have set up. I've got stuff from HomeGoods, mostly Walmart, and a few Walmart online, one thing from Target, Dollar Spot, Dollar Tree, thrift store. So we're gonna just kind of be all over the place, including Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna start with the star. So this I just picked up at Walmart. It's an LED tree topper and I just love it. It's gorgeous. It does have the warm lights. It was $23 and I started looking for one a couple years ago. Haven't fallen in love with any of the ones that I've seen, but that one I did. Now from Walmart, I also picked up, this is a 9 count of ornaments. I love this one. This is not truly gold. This is more of like champagne. So there's 2 glitter. There's one with sort of a geometrical white shape, some texture, and these more champagne ones, and then these that have a really fun shape. So that was a really good buy. I think it was $10.98 for some pretty significant sized ornaments. And then in store, I found this. They are putting out this whole gorgeous, oh, it just looks like Pottery Barn to me, line. I did put up a reel of it on Instagram. I'll try and put together a short on it for you guys so you can see. And this is part of that collection. It is a stocking for under $10. I love the texture. It is also lined because that is key. It's not a great lining, but at least it is lined so things will not get caught up. And I just love it. Love the price point. I'm loving Walmart this year for Christmas. Now, these I'm gonna use for Christmas, but they're Walmart online just year round. So these I actually picked up, I think for $13. There was a set of 4. They have varying sizes. I got this one, I think, in a 22 or 24 inch pillow cover. And this color matches our great room rug perfectly. So this is more for spring, but I always like to keep my eye out for a good deal. Definitely check out Walmart when it comes to pillow covers because I just found this. Now online it's listed as khaki, so I ordered it just to kind of see. It's a dark olive green. It is sold in a 4-pack, which is perfect for what I was wanting. So I put one on one of my pillows and I love this color and I think it works really well for the holidays. I also found these, and this one was, so I want to say the price point for the 4 of those was like $20. It was probably a little less because they were really priced amazingly. And then I got this, and it's slightly smaller. It's a 2-pack. I don't love the back of it. It's just more of a yellow tone, but I do love the fur front, and it's a 2-pack, and they were, I think, $11. So also at Walmart, I picked up some magnolias. Now we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby next, and I also got magnolias. I wanted to show you guys the difference. Now these are a 5-stem pack from Walmart for $3, so affordable in their floral section. I don't adore the greenery, but the magnolia stems are a great buy. I do much more like the ones from Hobby Lobby. Now these are priced at $9.99 for the 5-stem bush, but I will tell you that they are 50% off, and these are much better representations of magnolia leaves. So I picked them up for $5 a bundle. Love them, think they're gorgeous year round. While I was at Hobby Lobby, I also picked up some different trim and ribbon. So this is actually sort of a gold or bronze 30-foot pip berry garland. It's in the ribbon section. So it was considered ribbon, it was 50% off. So for this, I paid $4.50, which I think is a great buy. I also picked up this in their regular ribbon section, so not a Christmas ribbon. And so $7.99, I paid $4. I love the mix of sort of like that natural rough texture with the gold accent. It does have a wired edge and it's 18 feet. So that was 50% off. And then I got this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one. I thought it accented really well, but it was only $5.50, and then I paid 50% off for 4 yards. So I just thought that that would be a nice little accent. So I do have more stuff to show you guys. Oh, I'm getting a little out of breath. I got so much. I'm going to show you guys this from Amazon. It was on my mental to do again this year, and I got a lot of questions last year, so let me open it up. So last year, I think the year prior, is when I bought my little candles. They're battery operated. They do come with a remote, and I got them on Amazon. I'll try to find a link for you guys. So I got the same exact ones because I already have a set and I wanted them to all work off the same remote that they come with. And they're give or take $20. And I think this is a 20 pack. Now they come with a few options that I like. So these are little stakes that you could use. You could also use the suction cups and maybe do them on a window. I do mine on these little clips and just clip them onto the branches of my Christmas tree, and I love them. They're one of my favorite things, so I knew this year I was going to get another set so I could have a little more on the tree. All right, so let me show you guys what's next. 2 things from the Target dollar spot. I got this little guy last night. He's a $3 reindeer. I got him for my daughter's room. I just love the pink and the green, and then he's got the little Sherpa, the natural little antlers, so cute. And as soon as they put out more, I'll be sharing a video on that. I might put up a short until then so you can just see what's coming. I also got this. It's a really pretty green, also for my daughter's room, $5 Sherpa throw. They had it in red and this sort of sagey green. Now, I have a couple of thrift finds we'll get to. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the horse in the room. I walked into HomeGoods. I was just curious, have they put Christmas out yet? And they had very little, like one aisle. They still are in kind of fall Halloween mode, as they should be. But this guy was sitting there, and I have been thinking about buying something like this for at least 5 years, and I love it. I might change the tone of this with some Rub and Buff, but this is kind of going to be my Christmas present to myself this year. So I think he's gorgeous. I think that he could be used year round, but I did invest. He was $69.99, and he's a really nice, substantial size. I love that it's the metal mixed with the wood, and I just knew if I left him there, I would regret it, so he came home with me. And then I found this pillow that I also knew if I left behind, I would regret it. I'm trying to do more pillow covers, as evidenced by what I was showing you guys, but this one is just gorgeous. It was just gorgeous. If there had been another one, I would have bought it as well. It was $24.99. It's got the zipper. It's the perfect color I was looking for. I love the design that it brings in, just a little bit of the lighter colors. So that had to come home too. So you can kind of see where I'm going for Christmas. Now, I was at Dollar Tree, and one thing led to another, as they say. I'm doing something different this year than I've ever done, and I'm excited about it. So I'll be sharing all that with you guys. I'm going to be doing a ton of crafting for Christmas this year, so hopefully you were along for that. Now, I did want to mention I found only two of these at my Dollar Tree. I love this shape. Now, they always have the larger ornaments, but I like what they did this year. They actually gave a few patterns and textures to some of these. It might be a little bit hard to see, but there is some pattern to that. There was like a few of them that had different patterns. I think I only got these. Got a few in the glitter and then a few in the matte. So excited. Now let me empty this bowl because I've got 3 thrifted items, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm getting for crafting. So I actually picked up some furniture as well. Those will be coming in a future video. But I found this little house and it was just so different than anything I normally find. It was $3.99, which, hello, Goodwill. What are you thinking? Kind of high for me, but I did love it. I love that the top was totally different and it's metal. You could definitely put a votive in it. So if you know where it's from, I'd love to know. It definitely has a really cool look to it. And then I saw this and I hemmed and hawed. It was only $10. This thing weighs close to 30 pounds. I am going to be painting it. If you hear little footprints, it's just Poco running around the house. But yeah, I love it. I know exactly what I want to look, the look I want for it. So I'll be doing this in a video. And then I found this, and it's got the glitter in it from the ornaments. It's a wooden bowl that is aged and used and stained, and I definitely want to refinish it lightly. I don't want to take away the character it has. And it was $3, and I think this would be gorgeous, filled with greenery ornaments, just in the center of a table. I couldn't leave it behind. All right, so I'm gonna pull all this stuff off the table and show you guys what I've been picking up for all of my holiday crafting. So here is a look at some of the stuff I've been picking up for crafting. I think everything minus some spray paint is Hobby Lobby. So they had their paints on sale, so I got them, I think at like 50 cents. I got a bunch of just warm neutrals, picked up a few reds that I really liked, and then I'm gonna try some Rub and Buff, probably on that horse. And that is in antique gold, never used it before. I wanted to pick up as many of the right colored items, and they had this in their clearance section, and I think regularly it was like over $10, and it was $1.50, so be working with that. Their trim, oh my goodness, you guys. So in the fabric section, they have a clearance area. They are clearancing out all trim. So bummer, they're not going to be carrying it anymore. But look at this price. So this was originally $1.99 per yard. It's just jute. This is a 25-yard bolt, $4.97. I think that maybe 1 yard has been taken off of it. So this is awesome for so many different reasons, crafts, DIYs. The rest of this is all clearance as well. So this is a gold sort of nautical roping, $3.52. It was originally sold for how much a yard? Looks like it says $4.99, no, $1.99 a yard. And I have no clue how much is on it, but there's a ton. I also got these that are just sort of cord bolts. This was $2.35. This is a thicker version. There's a bunch on it for $5.32. And this, I'm changing. My style's definitely changing. So this was $5.99 a yard. I got this entire thing for $7.18. It does have a sort of satin ribbon trim, and that all the pearl beading, the dangles are on it, and it is yards and yards and yards. So the right color scheme. I had to pick it up. I also got this, which is just a remnant of fabric, but it's fur. Coordinates really well with those pillow covers I got. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I'm going to use it. And it was $3.25. Can't beat it. Now, 2 ribbon things that you can find all the time. They sell these bundles. They're by the Ribbon Boutique on the end cap of one of their ribbon areas in the fabric section. These were 50% off, so for $2.50, I got tons of different colors of ribbon to work with. Now, my hope and idea is to make all my ornaments for my tree. We'll see how that goes, minus the ones obviously I bought. And this comes in different color schemes. So this was the one I liked the best, but they had different ones to choose from. And in that same section, I have never seen this before. It is a faux braided leather ribbon. It's quite thick. It reminds me of like vinyl. 24 inch by 8 inch. So I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but it was 50% off of $4.99. So definitely brought that home. And then I found the clearance ribbon. And as you can see, these were all 99 cents. So a few different textured ones and some cream, some gold, some green, and then some plain, a few metallics right here. Sorry, it's kind of coming in and out of focus. So 99 cents. Always check your clearance section, you never know. And then I bought these at Walmart, and they're Rust-Oleum metallic finish. The color is bright coat rose gold. So I was looking for something in copper. I actually ordered another one and it wasn't what I was thinking. So I picked these up to work on a few projects. That's everything I'm getting for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vision for what I am doing this year for Christmas. It is a big departure from what I've always done in the past. So wish me luck. I am actually looking forward to the crafting. I think with the craziness in the world right now, it's going to be a welcome relief to just kind of put on music and craft a lot. So I may be going live for some of that. Let me know if you would enjoy that. And until our next video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.